the form by included angle, helix angle, etc. The screw threads are mainly classified into.
Hello friends, today we are discussing about what is the knot, what is bolt, and what is the parts of a thread, flank, roost and crest, what is the major diameter and what is the minor diameter. So today we discuss on all about that.
Screw thread nomenclature. In this video, we are going to see about the screw thread nomenclature. Let us see the bolt and nut. The bolt has external thread and nut has internal thread.
Hi, I am Tudu from the Creative Tudu channel. I have 8-year workshop experience in the area of lathe, milling, surface grinding, tool grinding, drilling and power hacksaw. If you want to in the future visibility, credibility and profitability with YouTube, then sure to subscribe by click the subscribe button on this channel and also the bell icon, so you are notified of new video.
Introduction to screw threads. In this video, we are going to see about introduction to screw threads. Screw threads are used to transmit power and motion and also used to fasten two components with the help of nuts, bolts and studs. There is a large variety of screw threads varying in the form by included angle, helix angle, etc. The screw threads are mainly classified into external thread and internal thread. The best example of external thread is bolt and the best example of internal thread is nut. Screw thread nomenclature. In this video, we are going to see about the screw thread nomenclature. Let us see the bolt and nut. The bolt has external thread and nut has internal thread. Axis, the longitudinal central line throughout the threaded part. Minor diameter, that is DC. It is the smallest diameter of an external or internal screw thread, also known as core or root diameter. Relation between major diameter and minor diameter is DC is equal to 0.84D to 0.81D depending on fine or coarse thread. Pitch diameter. It is the mean diameter between the major and minor diameter of the screw thread. It is the diameter where the thickness of the thread and space are equal and is measured parallel to the axis. It is the largest diameter of an external or internal screw thread, also known as gross or nominal diameter. Pitch, that is P. It is the distance from a point on one thread to the corresponding point on the next. Pitch is equal to 1 divided by number of threads per unit length of screw. It is the angle included by the flanks of the thread. Metric threads have 60 degree and British Standard Whitworth thread have 55 degree. Depth. It is the perpendicular distance between the crest and root. Flank. It is the surface joining the crest and root. It is the bottom surface created by the two adjacent flanks of the thread, that is, innermost portion of the thread. Crest. It is the outermost part of the thread.